Welcome to Health Haven, where we dive into the essentials of a healthier lifestyle. In today's episode, we're exploring a simple yet powerful change that can significantly impact your well-being, replacing all your beverages with water. Imagine the transformation. Join us as we unravel the science and stories behind this hydration journey. Discover the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Dive health for you, where every video brings you closer to wellness. Whether you're looking to revamp your diet, master mental wellness, or just feel fantastic, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our life-changing tips and tricks. Subscribe now by clicking the link in the description and start your journey to a healthier life today. Let's start with a compelling thought. What if you swap every drink on your menu for water? No more sodas, no sugary lattes, just pure, refreshing water. For many of us, this might sound like a mundane switch, but the benefits are anything but ordinary. First off, let's talk hydration and weight management. By choosing water over calorie-laden drinks, you're likely to see a positive shift in your weight. Studies have linked diet sodas to various health risks, including increased chances of strokes and dementia. Intriguing, right? Even respected health experts like Dr. Zorba Pastor from Public Radio have voiced concerns, urging us to reconsider our drink choices. Now, consider the everyday impact. A survey involving over 4,000 adults aged 45 and above found a startling link between diet sodas and health issues. Those who frequently consume diet sodas were 3 times more likely to experience strokes or develop dementia. This statistic alone is a wake-up call for moderation and mindfulness in our diets. Moreover, despite the zero-calorie allure of diet sodas, it might be fooling us. These beverages can trick your brain into craving more sweets, potentially leading to weight gain. It's the diet soda paradox. While they don't add calories directly, they might make you indulge more elsewhere. But why water? Water is not just a thirst quencher. It's a powerhouse. Drinking adequate amounts can suppress your appetite, boost your metabolism, enhance brain function, and flush out toxins. Every sip contributes to a healthier you. Let's dive deeper. Appetite control. Water can help reduce your urge to snack, promoting a healthier eating pattern. Metabolic boost. Regular water intake can increase your metabolism by up to 30%, aiding in calorie burn. Detoxification aids in eliminating toxins and free radicals, supporting overall health. Digestive health. Water is essential for digestion and help prevent constipation and other gastrointestinal issues. Disease prevention. Hydration lowers the risk of several diseases, including high blood pressure and certain cancers. Cognitive function. Staying hydrated helps maintain optimal brain function and mental clarity. Imagine the health transformations you could experience by making this simple change. Not only could you enhance your physical health, but your mental and emotional well-being could also see significant benefits. Let's delve deeper into the multifaceted benefits of water and explore how integrating more water into your daily regimen can revolutionize your health in ways you might not have imagined. Water is the cornerstone of life, making up about 60% of the human body. Its role in our health is critical, yet often underestimated. Here's a more in-depth look at how water functions within our bodies. Enhanced physical performance. Adequate hydration isn't just essential for daily functions, it's crucial for peak physical performance. Dehydration can lead to reduced endurance, increased fatigue, and altered body temperature control, all of which can significantly impair your performance in physical activities. Energy levels and brain function. Several studies have shown that even mild dehydration can impair mood, memory, and brain performance. A study on women showed that a fluid loss of 1.36% after exercise impaired both mood and concentration while increasing the frequency of headaches. Prevention of headaches and migraines. Speaking of headaches, dehydration is a common trigger for both headaches and migraines in many individuals. Increasing water intake can help reduce the recurrence of headaches and, in some cases, even alleviate them altogether. Promoting healthy skin. Staying well hydrated helps maintain optimal skin moisture and may promote collagen production. Adequate water intake can help keep your skin supple, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and even help combat skin disorders like psoriasis and eczema. Aiding digestive processes. Water is essential for good digestion as it keeps the gastrointestinal tract in good health. It assists in the digestion of food and helps prevent constipation by maintaining the proper visceral balance and promoting regular bowel movements. Detoxification water helps to flush toxins from the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones and other complications. By helping to transport nutrients and oxygen to cells and removing waste products, water fulfills a critical detoxifying role in the body. Knowing the importance of hydration is one thing, but implementing it can sometimes be a challenge. Here are some practical tips to help ensure you're getting enough water every day. Start your day with water. Make it a habit to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. This helps to kickstart your metabolism and hydrates you right off the bat. Infuse your water for flavor. If you find plain water too bland, try infusing it with slices of fruits like lemon, lime, cucumber, or berries. This adds a refreshing taste without the calories of sugary beverages. Use an app. Technology can assist you in staying hydrated. Use apps that remind you to drink water throughout the day and help you track your intake. Carry a water bottle. Having water on hand at all times is one of the simplest ways to ensure you keep up with your daily water intake. Invest in a reusable water bottle and take it with you everywhere you go. Eat water-rich foods. Incorporate foods with high water content into your diet. Fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, and celery not only provide nutrients, but also increase your water intake. Committing to regular, sufficient water consumption can offer profound health benefits over the long term. Weight management. Water can increase satiety and boost your metabolic rate. Some studies show that drinking water before meals can help you eat fewer calories. Immune function. Adequate hydration is crucial for the production of lymph, which circulates white blood cells and nutrients to all the body's tissues. Hydration enhances the body's ability to fight off illnesses. Natural headache remedy. Regular water intake can help reduce the severity or frequency of headaches and migraines, a significant benefit for those who suffer regularly. Improvement in physical performance. Proper hydration contributes to maintaining optimum performance during exercise by affecting energy levels and physical endurance. By embracing water as a primary beverage, you not only enjoy these extensive health benefits, but also contribute to a sustainable lifestyle by reducing consumption of packaged and sugary drinks. As we continue our exploration into the transformative powers of water, let's delve into the lesser-known, yet equally vital, benefits of this essential element. Understanding these aspects can further motivate us to prioritize hydration in our daily lives. The brain is approximately 75% water, so it's no surprise that hydration plays a pivotal role in cognitive functions. Proper hydration helps maintain neurotransmitter production and signaling, which are crucial for memory, concentration, and problem solving. Mental clarity and focus. Dehydration can lead to brain fog, a condition characterized by confusion, forgetfulness, and a lack of focus. Drinking enough water can clear this fog, enabling sharper focus and better decision-making. Stress reduction. When the body is dehydrated, it experiences stress and the brain responds by producing more cortisol, the stress hormone. Maintaining hydration can reduce cortisol levels, thereby decreasing overall stress. Mood enhancement. Regular water intake can positively affect your mood. Research shows that dehydration can lead to irritability and increase anxiety, while proper hydration can foster a sense of calm and well-being. Water plays a key role in the body's natural sleep-wake cycle and the circadian rhythm. Proper hydration can enhance sleep quality in several ways. Regulation of melatonin, the body's sleep hormone. Melatonin is influenced by hydration levels. Adequate water intake helps regulate melatonin production, promoting restful sleep. Muscle and joint health. Dehydration can cause muscle cramps and joint discomfort, which can disrupt sleep. Drinking enough water helps keep muscles and joints well lubricated, reducing pain and discomfort at night. Detoxification during sleep. The body removes toxins more efficiently when well hydrated, enhancing the quality of sleep and the effectiveness of the body's natural rejuvenation processes during rest. Water is essential for cardiovascular health. It impacts blood viscosity, plasma volume, and cardiac function. Here's how staying hydrated helps maintain a healthy heart. Blood pressure regulation. Adequate hydration helps maintain proper blood volume, ensuring that the heart can pump blood efficiently and maintain normal blood pressure levels. Decrease risk of cardiovascular disease. Regular water intake can reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the accumulation of salts and minerals, which can lead to hypertension and other cardiac conditions. Enhanced circulation. Proper hydration enhances blood circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently distributed throughout the body. While most of us understand the health benefits of hydration, it's also powerful in enhancing physical appearance. Skin health. Hydrated skin appears more vibrant, elastic, and youthful. Water helps replenish skin tissues, moisturizes, and increases its elasticity, reducing the likelihood of skin problems and premature aging. Weight management. Water can be a powerful ally in weight management. It helps boost metabolism, cleanses the body of waste, and acts as an appetite suppressant, often leading to reduced calorie intake. Hair and nail strength. Adequate hydration also contributes to stronger and healthier hair and nails, reducing brittleness, improving texture, and promoting growth. Choosing water over bottled beverages has significant environmental benefits. Reduced plastic waste. Opting for tap or filtered water over bottled water can dramatically reduce plastic waste, a major contributor to pollution and a threat to wildlife and ecosystems. Lower carbon footprint. The production and transportation of bottled beverages are energy-intensive processes. By choosing tap water, you contribute to lessening CO2 emissions associated with these activities. To truly integrate water into your daily routine, consider the following tips. Set a daily water intake goal based on your weight and activity level. Set a realistic daily water intake goal. Use a marked water bottle to track your progress throughout the day. Drink water with every meal. This not only helps with digestion, but also helps you reach your daily water intake goal more easily. Replace other drinks with water. Gradually replace soda, coffee, and other beverages with water. It will reduce calorie intake and increase water consumption. Educate yourself and family. Share the benefits of hydration with family and friends to encourage a collective effort towards healthier hydration habits. As we conclude today's detailed exploration at Health Haven, we've uncovered the extensive and sometimes surprising benefits of one simple act: drinking water. From boosting mental and physical health to enhancing your appearance and protecting the environment, the benefits of hydration are all-encompassing. We encourage you to take this knowledge forward, making hydration a cornerstone of your daily routine for a healthier, happier life. Remember, every sip counts towards a better you. Thank you for tuning into Health Haven. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health insights, and join us as we continue to unlock the secrets to a healthier life. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.